Is that what you did? Coming behind you.
Landing flap. Take off flap.
Let's show them how these things are flown, fellas.
Let me. Okay, so let's see if we can do a smooth takeoff together this time.
Right. Can we
We'll
stagger it?
it a little bit, yeah.
So I'll go first, but don't wait too long.
No, let's count down.
Yourself,
Count down so we can all go. Yeah. 3.
No, hold on. Who's
Hold
at
on.
the front?
That's Ran.
Go
forward a little bit more.
Forward. Like give me the
There.
room.
There.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, but you don't jump on it. Give us time to catch up. So
1, 2, 3, 4.
Gear up. Flaps up.
That was good. Keep that formation. Don't break it. Don't break it. You guys are going too fast.
No, I'm low. I'm half.
Don't break formation. Keep it like that. All right.
You
I
guys
want
are
to be closest to us.
okay. Yeah,
Not too low.
we gotta catch up.
Well,
Let's just do our thing.
let's do a thing.
Don't worry too much about it. When we start trying to coordinate stuff, we screw up. So let's just stick together. Touch and goes. I'll do them with you if you want to,
All
Frank.
right, touching and going.
Landing flaps. Gear
Touch and
down.
go.
Time remaining.
There's a weird rotor over there.
Yeah, I'm like not coming down at all. There, now I'm coming down.
Gear up. Flaps
So Frank,
up.
I'm gonna join on your wing. I'm gonna be on the outside like we always used to do. Remember?
And I'm gonna be where? Closest? or furthest?
Furthest from us.
Okay. Touch and go. Touch and go. I'm gonna be
Landing
furthest from
flaps.
us.
Gear
Okay, I'm
down.
gonna be right behind you. Well, let's see if I can get over to you now that you took off. I'm gonna get closer on the next one, Frank.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Right there on you.
Gear down.
Stay in landing
Landing
config.
flaps.
In landing config.
Okay.
Another one?
Yeah.
Another one. Why are you so behind?
Time remaining. 1 minute.
myself. Touch and go. Furthest out.
I'm coming close. I'm gonna be close to you, Frank.
Oh man, I'm not touching.
No, we got a thermal or something coming through.
I'm just slowing down for landing. You guys are.
We're good. Go. Staying with you, Frank.
Nice. All right. Oh, you got another one? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
30
Hell
seconds.
yeah. All right, I'm turning now.
Okay, I gotta speed up to do the turn, so don't listen to me.
Slow down. You guys are way ahead of me. Right, I'm just gonna. Nice. All right, Ronaldo. That's perfect.
That's perfect. I'm gonna wait for you.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, my battery's
5,
gone.
4,
You're still good?
4,000?
Yeah,
Yeah.
1.
but we're barely any throttle.
6. All right, Ray.
Go,
Touch and go.
go. Oh, I sped up. I did that on purpose so I could get behind you. There we go. There we go.
Ryan, where are you? Touch and go.
Go. Whoa, big thermal.
Nice. I saw my wings wobble.
I'll be behind you on this one. God, it won't come down.
Yeah.
All right, gear up, flaps up. I gotta go. I'm gonna do one blast and then come back around.
I'm gonna land full stop.
Okay.
My battery's getting low. Landing full stop.
Going up.
1 minute over.
Coming back down. Okay, I'm doing a touch. Ready, Frank?
Landing flaps, gear down.
Oh wait, Rand's coming. Where are you,
I'm
Rand?
in.
Okay.
I just moved ahead. No,
Okay.
good. 1 minute.
Whoa, big thermals right there. We're good.
Frank, you're not above
There we go, Frank. We gotta wait for you. What are you doing?
That's a crazy one.
That's Frank.
I wouldn't touch that.
I'm like, I gotta wait for him.
Battery because mine was getting dangerously low.
I'm coming in right now. This is full stop.
Full stop. I'm at 22.
I'm gonna stay closest to us, Frank.
Careful from the water or above the runway.
Don't run up my tailpipe now. Turning.
I'm at 22.6. Not even near. 22.2.
Good stuff, Frankie.
Good stuff.
Very good stuff. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And you just can't walk, but you can take you do the plane, it's fine. We can't walk for crap, but we can fly. Oh, that was